Whether you're taking high school chemistry or gen chem at the undergraduate level, titrations can trip you up. So let's talk through some of the basic calculations associated with finding the concentration of an unknown solution. So in this example, I have calcium hydroxide as my unknown, and I'm titrating that with 0.150 molar hydrochloric acid to reach the equivalence point. So I want to determine the concentration of that base, the calcium hydroxide. So what do I need to do? First thing you always have to do is write out your chemical reaction, because you need to know if it is a 1-to-1 ratio between your acid and your base. So in this case, my hydrochloric acid is going to donate a proton, combining with the hydroxide creating water, and then our salt product, which in this case is calcium chloride. And now that this reaction is balanced, you'll notice I have a 2-to-1 ratio between my acid and my base. Therefore, I cannot use this basic dilution equation. I'm going to have to solve for the moles. So first thing you want to do is just find the moles of your known titrant. So in this case, I'm going to use molarity times volume gives me the moles, making sure to change my volume into liters. If you get a really high number for the moles, you have done something wrong, just convert that. Now I'm going to use stoichiometry to find the moles of my base. Again, it is a 2-to-1 ratio, so I'm just going to take my moles of acid, divide that by 2 to get my moles of base. And we are almost there, hang on. So now all I have to do is I have my moles, I have my volume, I just have to rearrange that equation again. So the molarity is equal to the moles divided by the volume, so I'm just going to have the moles over that 0.01724 liters, because again, you got to change that milliliters into liters. I divide that out, I get 0.13051 molar. Now I go back into my initial values to figure out sig figs. I'm going to have 3 sig figs with this. And you're thinking, wait, Corinne, isn't there an easier way? Yeah, but I like to teach my students that way so you never make a mistake. Technically, what I can do is I can just add a coefficient of 2 in front of MBVB just to show that ratio between my moles of acid and moles of base. I'll be releasing more tutorials like this to help you out this semester, so let me know what you'd like to see next.